Let me tell you something that most people in this space are not gonna tell you. Most people are telling you to build AI automation agencies, or to flip AI generated content, or to use ChatGPT to do freelance work for clients. And look, that stuff can actually make you decent money. But if your goal is to build something that makes you a real income, like consistent money hitting your bank account every single week without you trading hours for it, then there's only really one type of AI business that makes sense to build in 2026. And I'm gonna show you exactly what it is in this video. My name is Fred. I build income online by selling digital products, specifically online courses, and I've been doing it for a while now. My record is making over $5,000 in cash collected in 48 hours. That's money in my bank account. Not revenue, not gross, not potential, cash. And the reason I was able to do that is because of the model I'm about to explain to you in this video. Now, if you want to see the full system I use to do this, I put it all inside a free course on School. Every step, every piece of it, you get it for completely free. And if you want me to personally look at your situation and help you build your own income stream using this model, you can book a free call with me directly. The links are both in the description below. Now, let me show you why this is the best AI business you can start right now. So here's what most people get wrong when they think about making money with AI. They think AI is the product. It's not. AI is the tool. The product is your knowledge, your experience, your point of view, packaged up and sold as a digital product, or better yet, an online course. And that is one of the most powerful business models that has ever existed. Think about it. You create the course one time and it sells over and over and over again. You never have to deal with inventory, or you don't even have to worry about shipping. You don't have to manage staff or rent out an office or buy expensive equipment. The profit margins on digital products are insane. I mean, we're talking 80, 90, sometimes even 98% profit. Most businesses would kill for a 20% margin. You're operating at 95%. That is not an exaggeration. That's just how digital products work. And here's where AI comes in. Before 2024, 2025, you needed a personal brand to do this. You couldn't do it any other way. You had to be on camera and be posting consistently, build an audience over years. That was the barrier to entry. But now, with AI avatars and AI voice technology, you don't even need your face. You don't even need your voice. You can create a course, build a brand, and sell it with an AI doing the presenting for you. The barrier to entry has basically been demolished. Now, here's something important, because this is where most people mess up, even when they do pick the right business. They pick digital products, they build a course, and then they use the old funnel. And the old funnel looks like this. You run ads or you post content, you send people to an opt-in page, they basically give you their email, phone number, then there's a video sales letter, then a book a call page, and then you jump on a sales call and you try to close them. And that used to work. It still does technically. But there's a better way. The market has changed. People are more skeptical now. They've seen 1,000 different opt-in pages in every niche. They've watched 1,000 different VSLs, and they might have been on a few sales calls where someone tried to pressure them into buying something. The trust is gone. And when there's no trust, there's no sales. It doesn't matter how good your course is. So the question is, what's working right now? The new funnel builds trust before the call ever happens. Instead of sending people to an opt-in page with a sales video, you send them to a free course on a platform like School. You give them a lot of real value up front. You let them actually experience what it's like to learn from you. And by the time they get on a call with you, they already trust you. They've already seen that you know what you're talking about. You're not just selling to them anymore like all these other people do. You're just helping them decide if it's the right fit. And that is a completely different conversation. The qualification call becomes easy when the trust is already there. You're not chasing people down. You're talking to people who already want to work with you. I've seen this shift happen in real time, and the difference in conversion is not small, it's significant. Look, here's the thing about 2026. There are more people trying to make money online than ever before, which means the people who win are not the one with the flashiest ads or the loudest claims. The ones who win are the ones who build the most trust the fastest. And that's exactly why selling digital products, specifically online courses, through a free community, free course funnel is the best AI business you can start right now. Because it combines the highest margin product that exists with the highest trust funnel that exists. and AI lets you build and scale it faster than ever before. You can use AI to help you create your course content. You can use an AI avatar or AI voice if you don't want to be on camera. You can use AI to help you write your scripts, your emails, your community posts. AI isn't replacing you here. It's doing the heavy lifting so you can focus on what actually matters, which is getting in front of the right people and helping them. And here's the thing most people don't realize. You don't need to be a guru. You don't need to have been doing something for 20 years. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're teaching. If you know how to do something that other people want to learn, you've got a course idea. And if you don't, use AI to pull that knowledge from all over the internet and then structure it into an actual product. So let me bring this all together. That way you know exactly what to do. The best AI business to start in 2026 is building and selling online courses either with your own personal brand or with an AI avatar or voice, and using a free course on School to build trust before you even get on a call. That is the model. That's what's working the best right now. And that is going to keep working for at least a few years. And I'm not just telling you about this. I literally built a 100% free course that walks you through the entire thing, the entire method, step by step. So all you've got to do is copy it. And I will show you how I make money with AI without trading my time for money. So no more wondering which business you should start. The model is right there and completely free for you to take. The link for the free course on School is in the description below. Go join it, it's completely free. And if you want me to personally look at your situation, tell you exactly what your course should be about, and help you build the income stream from scratch, help you get customers, etc., you can book a free call with me through the link in the description below. Now, to be honest with you, I don't take that many calls, so spots fill up really fast. So go check it out, and I will see you on the other side.